All right, I got the Arrma Limitless out here. I'm gonna try to get a pass off with it. Let's see here. Connect it. Let's see. I look clear. Okay, let's see if I can get a pass off. Got it off. Got it back. All right, PB for this car is 178. I was trying to put it in the 180s. I don't know if I did it there, but show that it's still connected. Let me turn it so. Car connected. Okay, let's see what it did. Hit stop. Come on, 180. Let's see. 172. That wasn't shit. That ain't where I want it. But I did get a pass off. Got the 8S SRD V3s. Just a normal Arrma Limitless. 2028. Shit, I guess that's it. The tires have been you know, cut down. So they've been cut down, so they're a lot smaller. And look like they kind of held up, except for this little chunk right here. Well, look like they held up for 170, 172. All right, I want to thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next video. I'm not sure when, because it's about to be real cold and raining. So when I get a good day on the weekend, I'll be back out here. I'm out.